Hello friends, I am your skin host Dr. Manisha and I am back again to bust some more myths related to skin and hair care. Today we are going to discuss about two important and most frequently talked about myths. And the first one says shaving your facial hair will cause it to grow more faster, thicker and darker. Now how true is that? Let's look at this skin model first. Here you can see in this picture, you can see the structure of skin and hair follicle. And in this picture you can clearly see that the root of the hair is way beneath the skin surface. And that is from where the hair is going to grow. So trimming your hair or shaving it from the surface of the skin is not going to affect hair growth in any way. And I have already told this in my previous videos that hair is a dead tissue. We have to remember this, that hair is a dead tissue. And so cutting it or doing anything to it will not affect hair growth in any way. So it is completely a false thing that shaving or trimming will lead to faster hair growth, right? Okay, then why is this illusion about hair growth and that the new hair that will come will be thicker and darker in shade? Maybe this is related to your puberty age, when actually the hair growth is naturally faster in that phase. And so every time you shaved your hair, the hair grew back faster. And that makes us feel that shaving has triggered. With that said, if you have been able to bust these two important myths from your life, do not fail to like, share and subscribe our channel, Radiant Specialty Skin Clinic. And the new hair that have come out with all your friends and let them also learn more and more about skin care and hair care. And that's why we will be coming up one or two shades darker than the informative skin and hair series in the upcoming videos, which has caused them to grow lighter in shade. Stay connected with us, stay in tune and take good care of yourself. Bye. So that is the reason why the new hair that come may appear darker and thicker than the old hair. I think now that this myth about shaving your hair has been busted, we should not forget the women sitting out there, because now we have dealt with the men's problem. So let's talk about the next myth related to the most favorite women's cosmetic, the lipstick. You're right. So many times we have been warned by our friends and family members. I remember in my childhood, my mom used to tell me that don't apply lipstick every day. It will lead to cancer someday. ज़्यादा lipstick लगाओगे तो cancer हो जाएगा एक दिन. That's what they keep telling us. Let's have a reality check. Most lipsticks contain an ingredient named as butyl benzyl phthalate, BBP, which is the short form, which has properties similar to estrogen. And research shows that overexposure of BBP may lead to cancer. But the quantity used in lipsticks is too low to cause cancer or reproductive abnormalities. Also, some red lipsticks contain lead in very low quantity as a red color additive. Now, we all know that very high lead exposure is linked to impaired reproduction and behavioral, learning and language difficulties. Actually, we are exposed to lead every day through our environment. And the trace amounts found in lipsticks is only a concern if it accumulates with lead from other sources, the possibility of which is almost obsolete. So I guess the minor amounts or the minimal amounts of BBP and lead present in lipsticks will definitely not lead to cancer. With that said, if you have been able to bust these two important myths from your life, then do not fail to like, share and subscribe our channel, Radiant Specialty Skin Clinic. Share it with all your friends and let them also learn more and more about skincare and hair care. We will be coming up with more such informative skin and hair series in the upcoming videos. Till then, stay connected with us, stay in tune and take good care of yourself. Bye.